going to build a train. So please remember to
like, subscribe, and share.
Yay! Alright, so let's go ahead and start building this train. So we're starting with what is this? This is the red one.
A red caboose.
It's the red caboose, okay.
And where's the freight car?
We're looking for a freight car.
Just where?
What are those ones? Okay, this is a freight car?
Yes.
Okay, great. What else are you going to put on this train?
The green one.
Oh, so train complete. Okay, so what are you going to do with it now? Should we find... Oh, so we're going to put it on a track or something? Okay. Chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo. Why is it taking so long?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it's landed. Look at our train, it's landed.
Just number 330.
And train number 330 is leaving the station.
Yeah.
Where is it going? Is it going to Kingston? Where is it going?
It's just going up the hill.
It's going up the hill, but where is it going?
A series of just pulse.
Let's see if we can get it up the hill. Ooh, that's a tough one. Yay, we did it. Okay, so we built a train. Did we get it to Kingston? Is it coming?
Yes.
Here we go. Ooh. Let's keep going then.
That is
crazy.
Yeah. It is a train number 330. It's a right numbers.
Oh, we have some problems again. There's some barrels stuck on the track. What are we going to do about those?
Just fly in this one.
Okay, so we're going to put them in the... Is that a caboose?
It's not a caboose. It's a freight car.
It's a freight car, so they need to go in the freight car. I'm going to put that one in here. What about...
One more.
One more. Okay, let's go. Ooh, our train is coming. Let's go.
Is our train? It is a yellow train pulling our freight cars. And the yellow and red caboose.
Oh, what's happening here?
Whoops.
Ooh, it's gonna... Oh, wow.
Down the hill.
Ooh, oh, man. Ooh. I wonder if it's gonna fall apart.
It's not falling apart.
It's not gonna fall apart? What's happening here?
Oh, Siri.
So we need to drop the bridge. Oh, you're winding it up. You have to wind it down.
Wind it down. It's our soul.
Oh, there we go.
The train is coming.
Say the train is coming, baby. Say the train is coming down. Train is coming, baby. So the train is coming down. Ooh, ooh.